How to freeze row or column in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet in your web browser. Select the row below the row you want to freeze, or the column to the right of the column you want to freeze. Then, click on View in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu, select Freeze option. When you will click on Freeze, you will see a sidebar with several options. You will see 4 options for rows and 4 other options for columns. Choose whether you want to freeze rows or columns. Click on either one row or one column to freeze that row or column. If you want to freeze more than one row or column, select the row below the last row you want to freeze, or the column to the right of the last column you want to freeze. Click on View from the menu bar. Click on Freeze and choose the next option you want to apply on the selected rows or columns. And that's how you can freeze rows or columns in Google Sheets. It's a useful feature for keeping important information visible as you scroll through your sheet. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.